Demain, c'est mardi. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. Donc, demain, c'est mardi. Et après-demain, c'est mercredi. M-E-R-C-R-E-D-I. Après-demain, c'est mercredi. Earlier in the year, we learned a song to help us learn the days of the week, and it goes lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. And those are the days of the week. Hopefully, if you are coming from a different program, you learned those somehow, some way. But that's part of the vocab that I expect you to know. So lundi, mardi, mercredi. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi. Donc, hier, c'était quel jour? Hier, c'était samedi. Dimanche. Hier, c'était dimanche. Et avant-hier, c'était quel jour? Avant-hier, c'était samedi. Donc, lundi, mardi, mercredi, not pictured. Jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Okay, la date. Again, we learned a song earlier this year that goes janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet. Goes through all of the different months of the year. So right now, the one that we need to know is janvier. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi, le 8 janvier. Le 8 janvier. So whenever we're expressing the date en français, le number month. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi, le 8 janvier. Hier, c'était dimanche. Et quelle était la date hier? Dimanche, le 7 janvier. Le number month, le 7 janvier. Hier, c'était le 7 janvier. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi, le 8 janvier. Et demain, c'est mardi, le 9 janvier. Le 9 janvier. Okay, so knowing the days of the week, knowing the months of the year, those are part of what I expect you to know so far. Okay, one other thing we are going to do weekly is something called Weekend Talk. You'll start by adding your name to our Jamboard, and then you will be referencing this in your flip video for the week. So I'm going to ask you this question this week. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait pendant les vacances d'hiver? Qu'est-ce que tu as fait pendant les vacances d'hiver? What did you do during winter vacation? So you're going to tell me one thing that you did, and you're going to do that just by repeating exactly what you see in the bubble here. J'ai voyagé. J'ai beaucoup mangé. J'ai received des cadeaux. J'ai passé du temps avec ma famille. Okay, I'm going to show you one more. J'ai dormi. So for all the ones that we just talked about, you're using j'ai in front of whatever it is that you did. J'ai dormi, I slept. J'ai passé du temps avec ma famille, I spent time with my family. So most of the time when you're talking in the past tense, you use j'ai to say I did something or I have done something. There are times, though, when you're going to, instead of using j'ai, when you're talking in the past tense, you're going to use je suis. And that's the case with the verb aller. When you're talking about a place that you went, you're going to, instead of saying j'ai allé, you're going to say je suis allé. Je suis allé chez mes grands-parents. I went to my grandparents' house. Je suis allé au cinéma. I went to the movies. So to answer that first question, all you're going to have to do is say what's in the bubble. So for your activity that you did, you're going to make a text box, put your name and oui. So here, let's say j'ai reçu des cadeaux. I received some presents. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to this bar. I'm going to take a text box. I'm going to make a text box with my name, Madame Michon. And I'm going to put oui. This is something that I did, in fact, do during les vacances d'hiver. I think I can make that slightly smaller too. Okay. And then, oops, did not mean to do that. Then I'm going to make another text box. And I'm going to answer the second question. Oops. Qu'est-ce que tu n'as pas fait pendant les vacances d'hiver? Well, I didn't travel. So I'm going to take another text box. I'm going to put my name, Madame Michon. I'm just going to put no. When I go to do my video, mercredi, my flip video, I would say, make this part negative. Je n'ai pas voyagé. Je n'ai pas voyagé. And this I would keep just like it is here. J'ai reçu des cadeaux. So I'll talk more about that during the explanation of the flip video, mercredi, but just for now, that's what I need you to do is start looking at those options for how to talk about what you did over the weekend, or in this case, the vacation. And you'll put your name and oui ou no into that Jamboard. Okay, désolé, that is 2 fairly lengthy videos. Sorry that they got cut off in the middle. I had some technical difficulties, but again, especially if you're new to this class, I hope you are watching these videos because those will be the best way for you to keep up with what is expected of you in this class. Merci, au revoir.